This is one of my favorite meals to make because of how versatile, easy and delicious it is. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your catfish pepper soup without stress. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. First things first is you want to put your pot on fire and then add water to it. Allow the water to heat up between 2 to 3 minutes before you go in with your washed catfish inside. After that, we're just going to add our ginger and garlic powder. Next is our crayfish, our grated pepper mix, our pepper soup spiced, seasoning cube, and salt to taste. So we're just going to mix this together. Cover it and allow it to get cooked between 10 to 12 minutes on a medium heat. And after 12 minutes, this is what we have. All I had to do is just to stir it a bit, test my food to adjust its seasoning and making sure everything is perfect. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. And like I said earlier, our pepper soup is so versatile because you can pair this with anything and everything, and I bet you it's still going to taste fabulous. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable meals. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.